India's capital, Delhi, and the surrounding areas, meanwhile, continue to battle the toxic smog blanket that has engulfed the region. In the latest effort to reduce air pollution, the Commission for Air Quality Management has issued a slew of orders to combat the situation. This includes all educational institutions to remain closed till further orders, with online teaching allowed. At least 50% of the Delhi government staff in the capital have been asked to work from home. Private companies have also been encouraged to do the same till the 21st of November. Other directives include only allowing 5 of 11 thermal power plants within a 300-kilometer radius of New Delhi to be operative till the 30th of November, stopping the entry of trucks in Delhi with the exception of those carrying essential goods, keeping vehicles over 10 years old off the roads, and banning all construction activities in the national capital region apart from select government and infrastructure projects. However, the central government also told the top court that it was not in favor of work from home for its employees since it will not have much benefit. The centre, however, said that it has issued an advisory to its employees to carpool whenever possible. This order comes as both the Delhi government and the centre face tough questions from the Indian Apex Court over their lack of planning and the response to the air quality crisis. The Indian Met Department has forecast that the air quality in Delhi is likely to remain poor and maybe even dip to severe over the next few days. The IMD has predicted that the situation will only improve after the 21st of November. For the last 2 weeks, residents of the Indian national capital have been forced to breathe toxic air, one that causes cough, difficulty breathing, itching in the eyes, and respiratory issues in some cases.
Breathing problem. He was having breathing problem, a lower breathing tract, something as disease, they said. It's because of that. He can't sleep throughout the night. That is very serious.
Doctors in New Delhi have also reported a rise in patients with respiratory infections because of air pollution.
So, it's hit them really bad. So, the number of patients that we are getting now because of respiratory infections, both in the OPD or in the emergency, there has been a 3 to 4-fold rise in their number of visits to the hospital. This is directly linked to the high levels of pollution that the city of Delhi and NCR is witnessing in the last 7 to 10 days.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.